In today's video, I am going to teach you how to scan YouTube QR code on your smart TV. By the end, you will be signed in and ready to watch, with no typing on the TV remote required. First, turn on your smart TV or streaming device and open the YouTube app. You will see a menu on the left side of the screen. Navigate to the Sign In or Get Started option. The moment you select it, a large QR code will appear on your TV. That square pattern is your shortcut to link your phone and TV quickly. Now pick up your smartphone. Open the built-in camera app or use a QR scanner if you prefer. Most modern phones can recognize QR codes directly in the camera view. Hold your phone steady and point the camera at the QR code on the TV. You don't have to get extremely close, just make sure the entire code is clearly visible. With good lighting and minimal glare on the screen. Within a moment, a pop-up notification should appear on your phone. Tap that notification or the link it shows, which is usually yt.b/activate. Your phone will guide you through a quick confirmation. It will ask which Google account you want to use. Choose the account you use for YouTube so your subscriptions, history, and recommendations carry over to the TV. Then tap Continue or Allow. This step authorizes the connection between your phone and the YouTube app on your TV. So you won't need to enter any passwords on the television. Give it a few seconds. You'll see the YouTube app on your TV update as it links to your account. Once connected, you can start using YouTube on your smart TV right away. Your home screen will reflect your usual YouTube experience, including your subscriptions and personalized recommendations. Use your TV remote to browse, search, and play videos just like you would on the phone. But on the big screen. If you initiated this from your phone, you can also tap videos there, and they'll be ready to play on the TV, keeping everything in sync. A couple of quick tips as you enjoy: make sure both your TV and phone are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. And keep your phone nearby the first time in case you want to make quick adjustments to your account or preferences. After this one-time setup, you will stay signed in, making future viewing fast and seamless. That's it. Thanks for watching.